I'm out.
Well, we kind of getting destroyed from.
Oh no. I'm out.
I'm heading
I
back.
got out of there.
Hey, Snowy.
Hmm.
Oh,
Can you put
fuck.
monster truck
They're
tires
trying
on
to
a
take my plane away
motorcycle?
from me. No.
Hmm.
I think I just saw Ricardo jump off the cliff. Who's shooting me?
Okay.
What do you mean, not you? I saw you.
Uh.
Eh. The heck?
Oh, jeez.
Wait a damn minute.
Casey, get out of the car. Oh shit. He's get out of the car right now.
Truck.
He's not. He doesn't have a car. He has the. Oh, the big tires on the truck.
I was doing.
Hey, that's my truck. My truck.
Get speed on the truck. Get speed on the truck.
Okay. Casey, please get the thing over there.
You can't. You gotta drive it out. Oh, you can't just run over the. If you run over the speed pad, you go fast.
I'm going to get my truck back. No matter what it takes. Give me my truck.
What the? He's going in the wall.
I can't kill him.
Why you guys have to take my truck?
Casey, you want a big truck, Casey? You want a big truck, Casey?
Ricardo, he doesn't have a truck.
This.
Today.
Hold on. Hold on. This. Hold on, Casey, don't move
Are
yet.
you making my
Ah,
Are you making my
piggy!
truck of force be right with?
Yes.
Alright,
Yes.
anything else?
Yes.
Yes.
That's it.
No.
No. There's nothing else up.
You Snowy.
You can't upgrade it.
You paid.
Do it.
People paid you. I just plow through all the cars now. I am a force. I am a force of nature.
Here's this.
My laptop is burning my hand right
I just gotta know.
now.
I have just got to know.
Out of my
Can I fucking put? No, I cannot put. You cannot put the tires, the big tires on. I had to try.
Yeah.
I had to try to put big tires on any which I can. Ricardo, by the way, where did you get all the stuff?
It's right there. Hold on. First. Hello, Story!
What?
I'll fix my plane!
Be scared, motherfucker. Why should I? Why should I be scared?
Guys, look! Whoa!
Only
It's
be
snowy.
scared.
Snowy.
Wait.
I saved you. Come back here.
Save me?
I saved you.
I'm in the building.
Yes, you're gonna be safe there, dude. I guess my tires. You removed my tires.
I popped your tires.
By the way, Ricardo,
Oh
can
shoot,
you
this
show me
is a guitar! This is...
Can you just show me where you got the stuff from?
Come on, okay. Where are you?
I'm back
I
at
got-
the. I'm back at the vehicle select.
There.
Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there!
There.
Huh?
See the wall? The three walls right there?
Wall.
Huh?
So one of these walls have it.
I will show you.
Oh, it's not
One of
plane.
these
This
wolves.
plane decides to flip over.
Come on. Come on, over here. Here.
On the way.
What happened to my car?
There.
This
Oh man!
And now it's time to pimp my ride.
Who wants to get in my plane? Who wants to get in my plane?
Nah, man.
I printed the plane already, so I'm fine.
Oh man, this vehicle it
I'm
doesn't
gonna turn this
be
ATV
funny.
into something more powerful.
You can't.
That's not bad. My ATV! Stop destroying all my vehicles! Right now, every time I grab something, I literally just destroy it. You. I'm driving far away from here. I'm tired of
Are you sure about that?
I'm tired of shit.
Sure about that? You sure about that? Huh?
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Dingo, you slip over easily.
Hello!
Fine. Hey, I just got it to be like this. I will
Hello?
keep fighting. I will fight. My car. What?
Start getting
I feel like Kevin
we're
11
gonna
and
rebuild the
Alien
artillery.
goes up to Omniverse.
Get it, get it,
His
get it.
car gets destroyed all
Oh
every
shoot!
time.
Okay, here.
Grab my car is safe and
Oh
here.
man!
Oh man! We'll come back for you.
We're coming back for you!
Meanwhile, wow!
Whoa! man.
Wow! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We're stalling.
Uh-oh. 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 Jeez. That was the second tower. He's this? Okay.
My car.
Is that the Twin Towers?
I'm risen.
You sure about that?
My car is literally a person. Check the car out. Check it out. No?
Let's go blow it up.
I go off the first one. I made the water wheel.
Where'd he go? He disappeared.
Where'd he go?
Huh?
Huh?
He disappeared.
Snakes, planes.
Oh, I better heard that.
This is a
Yeah, me too.
Let me out. Let me out. Dude, my car is taking me hostage. My car is taking me hostage.
Shoot him,
Finally, I'm
shoot him.
free. No, let me just get my plane. I will beat everyone I can until I get to the destination.
Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Where is he? Dead? Guy is.
I can go anywhere.
Here it is, blade.
Mayday, mayday. Go down.
Shoot him!
Blade. You can't aid him when you're moving too much.
Kill him!
I'm trying. I can't see him because of the plane wing.
Oh, okay, you gotta get pit stop.
Oh,
You
jeez.
gotta get
Ow.
pit stop.
Ow.
I almost.
Oh, jeez.
I
Oh,
almost-
oh.
Hey, how's your plane doing, by the way? How's the plane doing?
Oh, come on, come on.
Wait,
I need to fix it, I need to fix it, I need to fix it.
I need to know. Can I arm this thing?
Is it fixing? Is it fixing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel like not.
Oh, jeez.
You up all these
Oh.
vehicles.
Huh?
I'm putting up the military vehicles to be even more powerful.
Crazy.
Now the military
No.
will never be defeated.
Oh, he's over there probably.
Whoa. Hey.
Where is he?
Home free!
Where'd he
I hope there's another state in the military
I
base.
stole one of the
I
cars,
hope
dude.
there's another military. Casey, did you know this is taking the military base?
Whose
Thanks.
cars?
I stole one of their cards.
Oh.
I'm heading back at
Here. Trust us. You are safe.
Fix the vehicle. Fix the vehicle. Fix the vehicle.
I know what.
Fix the vehicle while we're doing this.
I know what to
It's
take.
not working.
I know what
You're
to
blown
take.
up. Look at the vehicle. Look below you.
I am. Bro,
I know.
I can't repair it.
I know exactly what to
Now
have.
try.
Not working.
Are you out?
Oh no.
Something in mind.
Oh no.
Gotta secure.
Bro, come down. Don't actually kill us all.
No.
Oh, you fucking idiot. Go, go, go.
Oh no. Oh. It's a helicopter. It's a
Down,
helicopter.
suckers! Hey, guys.
Oh, geez.
My cake! Don't worry, I got another
Soon
one.
your vehicle will be gone too.
Shoot.
Don't worry. My cake. I have a spare.
No.
Yeah.
My other
Let him
cake!
get out so we can shoot him. Huh? What the?
They took out my
Dude,
cake,
good God.
and I was soon taken
Hey,
alive.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh. Wow.
I go, I start
Get
flying
my
out
other
of the of Mayday.
Piece of shit.
Why can't I
Come out.
I know what I'm going to do next. The military base, Lake Town. I know where I'm heading.
I'm gonna stay over here where you can come over here. I'm near the water.
I got plenty to worry.
Do. Where the hell is
How do
the
you
thing?
start me the music?
I want
Hold
a
B. It's
certain
already on.
thing.
It's already on.
I want a certain thing. By the way, can you drive a tractor in this game? Is that something you can do?
No.
Damn it. I'll sell for
At birthday. I don't know what happened to it.
Oh no. Dude, the helicopter's going down.
God, shit, take the helicopter out of there without me. No, they're like almost.
So you please repair please repair it, please.
So you guys like me now?
Let's play Park Pursuit.
Oh, I like the harder truck. Yep.
Do you like crashing planes?
I like running. I like running.
They go to 9/11.
I missed, but I won't miss again.
I won't miss again, missus. Gosh dang it.
You got white shadow.
Let's play a different thing, guys.
Okay, maybe better.
I love the game. Entirely.
Get out of my truck. Alright, bye. Taking.
Good to love you. Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna play Gang Beast.
You guys play Game Beast?
Yeah. Like,
Back to bed.